Hello, good evening. This is Eswatini Lifestyle, the show that is always bringing you nothing but the best of the entertainment and lifestyle scene in the kingdom of Eswatini. Speaking of which, during the bushfire weekend, Zulu D, your favorite DJ and mega sound partner, held his birthday celebration at Sibebe Resort where DJ Maporisa and Gabs of the Small were headlining. Let's go check it out.
Yabona yene impilo ibamnandi uzaduze kuyisando sami sandikuze uyabona masihlangene impilo ibamnandi uzaduze kuyisando sami sandikuze. Ewe udlalanga ngandivisa kabuhlungu indlela ungiphethe ngayo uvusa balele. I'm sorry my baby ngicela uxolo ngikuxolele my baby you didn't mean it ndisathanda mna. I'm sorry my baby ngicela uxolo I'm so sorry now ngikuxolele my baby you didn't mean it ndisathanda mna. Uvusa balele uvusa balele uvusa balele uvusa balele. Yeah. Tadana. Izingane zigcwele, isikhem sami siphelele, cela ningithelele. Izingane zigcwele, isikhem sami siphelele, cela ningithelele. Akasafuna ukumula, akafuna ukulala, awungeba tuzolala lana. Akafuna ukumula, akafuna ukulala, awungeba tuzolala lana. Ubedansa phezu kwetafula, lapha Alexandra, ayinambona lona ngizomashkarana. Ubedansa phezu kwetafula, lapha Alexandra, ayinambona lona ngizomashkarana. uNkulunkulu asithethelele, asiyeke sidalele, nababona labantwana benza mawala wala. uNkulunkulu asithethelele, asiyeke sidalele, nababona labantwana benza mawala wala. Wala 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 wela diwele, wala 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 wela diwele, wala 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 wela diwele, wala 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 wela diwele. Abati ting dong pelele, skim sounds pelele, pelaning pelele man. Sabatri bulum pelele, hinampu pele pele, pelanis tegelen man. Abati ting dong pelele, skim sounds pelele, pelaning pelele man. Sabatri bulum pelele, hinampu pele pele, pelanis tegelen man. Abati ting dong pelele, skim sounds pelele, pelaning pelele man. Sabatri bulum pelele, hinampu pele pele, pelanis tegelen man. Abati ting dong pelele, skim sounds pelele, pelaning pelele man. Sabatri bulum pelele, hinampu pele pele, pelanis tegelen man.
Ngakongeke ngiqale ngisenje ngibalekele ingada. Nginesiphithi sengwenya khulu bendlovu laka lelibhubhe siphahlile inkonzo liphuthu nemsobo sose ngakhohlwa imfuziso yedolo bogogo bomkhulu abatsala bokhokho kube nikhona ngabe niyathlokota lesimvu ngasithatha siphatha kulombhobho ngingwane phaca ungahamba umhlaba wonke jikelele ingada nyashaya emahlone eceleni sidubula dlete shumile kuthenga ngiswathi lemthabo ngalele ngiko sose ngashintsha nalamasiko ngiyohlale ngiwagcina ngikahle nginjena I'm not trying to fit in Stubilo muhle ngosi lamini sheshe netfuka lokhu selide Thixo somandla ngicela ungiside ngiqine ngemandla ngikhule ngenhlamvu ngijabhise thitha ngibuye ngumhlaba onke malanga ngiphokophele lo mlilo ngekhathi ngiwekwetele ngingcinamba donke dikhweshelele nomculo wesimvu ubathinze mafela ngeke sengiqale ngibale ngakongeke ngiqale ngisenje ngibalekele ingana sangeke ngayibalekele ingana ngakongeke ngiqale ngisenje ngibalekele ingana
sengibona amabhilidi ngihleli namayakayaka Ngisiphethe ngamawalawala isiphithiphithi ngidalisela ngamavulabala ikushingene khishishonilanga nabo lobolanga ngeziplani izinto za-overseas international ekethe fabulous ihlele ngesikhalangani one more time hayi sengibona amabhilidi ngihleli namayakayaka Ngisiphethe ngamawalawala isiphithiphithi ngidalisela ngamavulabala ikushingene khishishonilanga nabo lobolanga ngidalisela entakalani
Alrighty, Eswatini lifestyle viewers, if you're on Earth, and I mean literally, do not forget to visit Mogi Hotel at Zulu, which is where we are today. And now coming to the next segment of the show, over the past week, Eswatini lifestyle igayatishwi kancane langase Albert Millen for the food lovers market. And if you don't know what the food lovers market is, I don't know. So basically, it's about chilled vibes, having fun, chilling with your friends and family, reading a book if you want to, while enjoying the most exotic of foods on the planet. Let's go check it out. Eswatini lifestyle viewers, what is the food market without us having to slash that thirst? With me right now, I have Tulani. Tulani, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am fine. How's today?
It's okay. It's better than I expected actually. I came here hoping to make money and it's flying. Yeah.
So now tell me about Slash That Thirst.
Slash That Thirst is basically a slushy stall. We sell all kinds of slushy. We've got multiple flavors. We do kids parties and we go to events just like today. Yeah. So flavor-wise, today we brought 4 flavors and I think we've sold out 3 already.
Really?
Yeah. So it's really frying. We brought pina colada. We brought blueberry. We brought the cocktail mix, and we also brought granite grape. Yeah.
Why these flavors? Why these flavors for the market?
Look, man, it's a bright day. So these are very bright colors, bright flavors. So we thought we'd add that thirst and slash that thirst with these flavors.
I'm a punchline, boy. Okay, so now people want to find out more about Slash That Thirst. What happens?
Instagram, social media. We are on Instagram. Slash That Thirst is the handle. TikTok, Slash That Thirst is the handle. Facebook, Slash That Thirst is the handle.
Slash That Thirst.
Yeah.
And since we all know that the market is all about family, it's all about friends, it's all about good vibes and good energy. With me right now, I have Magel Dlamini, all the way from Figila's Toys. Magel Dlamini, how are you?
I'm good, and you, Sissy?
I am fine. How is today?
Today it's better than before. Before was bad, was very bad, because the COVID-19 was affecting our businesses, but now it's better. Today it's good, business is good.
So uke wangixoxela kabantu ukuthi usuka le ngoyoyo. Bekwa yini Figila's Toys eAlbert Milling at the market?
Ngivamisa vele kuwahamba ema-flea markets, makunema markets nje ngiyeda ngifike ngibeke ama-toys ami bangithengele bamphana, especially nje makutoba nebantfana isikhathi lesiningi ngibakhona ngisuke ngoyoyo mina.
So as far as ilanga lanamuhla lichubeka, ungashweni ukuthi ama-expectations akho as far as i-business amithekile?
Actually, okay, it's not bad, but akusafanani na before, but nje kungconywana ibhizinisi nje ikhona, nebantwana nabanje baningi bayangi-support.
Ngicocele kabanti ke ngaFigila's Toys ukuthi ma-toys mani bamfana laba range from what ages?
Thina ama-toys ethu vele aqala kubo 0. Okay, maybe ngathi nje kubo 6 months up to 12 years. Lesicishe sibe nawo nje. Figila's Toys mina ngitholakala enkoyoyo naka Facebook ngikhona. Ngiyawafaka nje ama-toys ami.
Ngimaphi ama-toys losiphathele wona namuhla?
Lamuhla nginawo, nginetinhlobo letiningi, nginato netigcoko. Ngibe nawo ama-guns, Ma-motorbikes, kuningi nje, even nekwegaba kukhona, emawashi, kuningi nje vele, kuningi. Ngafikile toys, bete bato support.
Eswatini Lifestyle viewers, right now I'm actually standing in front of Stoleni Ngeke seniscabange ukuthi singaba khona at the markets, right? And right now with me Nacebisa and King. Nabatasitshela kabanzi ngaloko sanibonani?
Yeah, sawubona siswami.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila ninjani nina my sister?
Sipilile nathi. Traveling bookshop. Kwendekalani?
Yeah, traveling bookshop sidila ngetincwadi my sister. Debantwana, abantu abadala, everyone. Njengoba sibhalile traveling lokusho ukuthi futhi lesingatholakala khona everywhere lokune event khona hlezi sikhona siyatholakala.
So kahle at the market nibekwa yini lento ukuthi anamuhla siyeda at the market.
Okay, as traveling bookshops sidila ngetincwadi ikakhulu tebamfana labancane. So now ungabukisisa around kugcwele kakhulu labamfana. So sitelana kutomeka sure ukuthi batali bangeta bathengele bamfa babo tincwadi so that batokhona kufunda because there's big promoter go these days ukuthi umfana afunde. Yes, singisi sithi umuntu loba leader nasekamdala ngumuntu lokhona kufunda. Yes, so that is what we are promoting as traveling bookshop.
Where can we find the traveling bookshop?
Okay, you can find us New Mall in Mbabane. There is an office called the Hive. Yes, you can find us there. Now figure la reception, you figure put the traveling bookshop, Patok Lion.
Alright, thank you. So now we can show the viewers at home style learning funds.
Oh, okay, my sister.
Manin phela. Angithi ngala ukuthi ngikhombise
Unfortunately, any movie is there. So even this one.
Okay, so I should. Okay.
You don't need to make the shy to dance. Any movie is there. Any movie is there.
Guys, thank you so much. Of course, we're still at the markets, and with me right now I have... Yes, at the market. So, Alicia, what are you here to do?
I'm here to have fun with my family. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it, ne?
Yes.
So, as far as today is concerned, how are you finding it?
I'm finding it so enjoyable and fun, you know. It brings family together.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is Eswatini Lifestyle and we're still at the market. Right now I'm actually with Claudia. It's her first time here. Hi Claudia.
Hello.
Hi. How are you finding popping your cherry at the market?
Oh, it's amazing. It's my first time here and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Community values. That is what it's like for me.
Okay, so right now we're doing #trip check. And with me right now is Melo. What's up?
What's up, fam? How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Anna, I'm great, man. I'm loving the atmosphere here.
Exactly.
Yeah. Everything here is good, it's chilled. I'm loving the support from the people, man.
Of course, this is still the market, and with me right now I have your favorite local DJ Super City Q. What's up?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. Why are you shaking, Mama?
It's cold.
Yeah, I've been.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'm good. Thank you, Ned. Yeah.
So now, can you tell me about Super 360 events?
Super 360 events is okay. Like it's basically like a 360 booth that rotates while you're actually standing. So yeah, like it's actually like an idea I saw on the internet, and I just went straight for it.
So I know Gutsilama games are reserved for kids, but it's not getting like jumping castle.
No, not really.
Why not? We need the jumping castle at some point at this age.
Yes.
Thinking.
We do. We need it. Maybe I'll go now.
Yeah.
So as far as business, have your expectations been met?
Not yet, because like I actually started using it yesterday, ne?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So like it's only a day old, ne? Yeah. So like I'm still looking forward to just like exploring more, like off the business side. Then yeah, like I just like see what happens. Yeah.
So Super 360 events. Yeah. We show Nagalo events like Grinen.
Yeah.
So if someone has an event and they want to hit you up, what happens?
Okay, like we have a page on Facebook, on Instagram, and also like this, like we have our numbers. Yeah, we have our numbers on our pages. Then also, yeah, in terms of like bookings, just like hit us up on our pages. Then yeah, we're good.
Which one's your favorite store?
I love books, so it was one of my favorites. I saw one that has a lot of arts, it was also my favorite. Yeah, those were my favorites.
So tell me, where'd you get this?
Actually, we make this from scratch. Come to No Limit, we have our own tailors, we make everything from scratch. We print, we brand everything on our own. See the t-shirt? Everything is on point. Yeah.
So you guys are here at the market?
Yeah.
How is it going?
We're loving the market, man. We're loving the people. We're loving their support. They came in numbers. My stock is done. It's off the table. Yeah. It's off the table. So I'm loving the support from the Swazi people. And I keep saying, I thank them and I appreciate them. They should keep supporting us, man.
Eswatini Lifestyle viewers, we're still at the market, and with me right now, hello.
Hi, how are you, sis?
I am fine. How is the market going?
So far, it's a success. Nothing much, nothing big, but it's a success.
Yeah. Wonderful. So, it's Baus. What are you representing?
I'm representing Baus Accessories. We sell jewelry, we sell earrings, we sell hairbands, we sell nets, sanyas, so anything to do with style.
Love me or they using me. Niggas the money, or maybe you ain't used to me. Cause you was depressed and now you abusing me. That's why I need me a girl to be true to me. Know about the game and know how it do to me. Without a girl on my side, shit'll ruin me. Forget the world, girl, it's you and me. Now let's ride. I need a girl to ride me. I need a girl to be mine. I need a girl that makes me feel so good inside. In my lifetime, but see, it's not a lot of women that got the right mind. I done had pretty chicks with all the right features and hood rat chicks that only rock.
Alrighty, folks, that is all we had for you guys from the market. See you on the next one.
Walk out and leave ya. I find a girl I'ma keep her, cause now I'm getting money and the game getting deeper. You want some real shit? I need somebody I can chill with. I need somebody I could build with. I need somebody I can hold tight. Wintertime in the full length Snow White. Anytime we together feel so right.
The most unfortunate part is we've actually come to the end of today's episode, but do not worry, because your favorite television host will be back on your screens next week from 6:30 to 7. You'll be having the 30 minutes of your life. For now, good night.